Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be starting chapter 8, that is Fundamental Concept of Cost. In this chapter, basically, we will study about what is cost, what are the different types of cost, then your meaning of various kinds of cost, the formulas related to every cost, and so on. So let's begin. So the cost concept, it is used for analyzing the cost of a project in short and long term. So whatever business is started by a businessman, or whatever project is being designed by an individual, so the cost concept is very much important and plays a vital role in the short and both the long term. Next slide is about the types of cost. The first is total fixed cost, TFC, average fixed cost, AFC, total variable cost, TVC, average variable cost, AVC, total cost, that is TC, average total cost, ATC, and marginal cost, that is MC. I move on to what is fixed cost. Fixed cost denotes the cost which do not vary with the level of production. Fixed cost is independent of output. Example: depreciation, interest rate, rent, taxes. Like a very simple example I would like to give for your better understanding, that is, have you seen your electricity bill? In that, the bill is divided into two costs. One is fixed cost and the other is variable cost. Fixed cost is the cost which you have to pay whether you use it or you don't use it. And variable cost, it fully depends on the level of consumption. So therefore, like for example, if you have your own house and your electricity bill comes accordingly, and suppose for 1 month you are out somewhere, you went out of station, after you come back, you have not used any of the gadget, your gadgets are just like that, no fans they ran, or your any electrical gadgets, okay, but still you get the bill, electricity bill, and in that there is a fixed cost charged. Okay, so fixed cost is the cost which is not which do not vary with the level of production. It doesn't depend on the amount of it does not depend on the amount of level of consumption. Next is total fixed cost, all cost associated with the fixed input. And average fixed cost, it is the total fixed cost by output. Move on to variable cost. Variable cost is the rest of total cost, the part that varies as you produce more or less. That means it varies with the level of production or level of consumption. It depends on output. Increase of output with labor, like more number of labor, more output, less number of labor, less output. So total variable cost, all cost associated with the variable input. Average variable cost minus or cost per unit of output is equal to total variable cost by output per unit. As you can see, the sum of total fixed cost and total variable cost is total cost. So total cost is the sum of fixed cost plus variable cost. Average total cost is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost, and average total cost is also equal to total cost by output. I hope till here it is clear to you. is what is marginal cost? The additional cost incurred from producing an additional unit of output. For example, when the output was one unit, so that time the marginal cost is, so with n unit, with a change in n unit, that is, suppose previously it was 2 units, later on it has increased to 4 units, so naturally the entire thing will change, isn't it? So marginal cost is all about the change in n, that is the output. So additional cost incurred from producing an additional unit of output, that is marginal cost, is equal to change in total cost by change in output, or change in total variable cost by change in output. So please go through your textbook and go through the definition of each type of cost. In the next class I will be doing a part of your like the graphs related to various cost, so that the picture becomes more clear. Thank you and have a nice day.